Right here at the Sea Breeze Drive in Rochester, New York, we are going to the lake. And this is one of the 5 Great Lakes in America. Come with us as we take a look at Lake Ontario. Of the Lake Ontario here in Rochester, New York, and today it says 50 degrees Fahrenheit on the weather app, but it is just really cold today. It is because we're here at the lake. So this is one of our bucket lists. This is the 3rd lake that we've been to here in America. So this is it. This is Lake Ontario here at the Irondequoit Bay in Rochester, New York. Feels like Dumaguete City.
Boulevard.
Dating at the boulevard. Walang tempurahan. Waiting for pedicab. We have just met this beautiful person, and he's gonna show us how he's gonna put his boat behind his truck. Are there alligators here?
No. No.
We're from Ohio.
Well, no, there's no alligators here. It's too cold for that.
Too cold.
Did you catch some fish?
Yeah, I'll show you when I get up. That's how you do it.
And then,
Wonderful.
are you gonna tie it?
No, I got a latch it here to pull it out.
So do you do this every week?
Yeah, I try to go fishing a couple times a week, you know.
So you do this almost every day?
No, a couple times a week, you know, and it's very good fishing in the bay here.
So what fish do you usually catch?
I'll show you. Mostly I was fishing for perch, but they really weren't. They're not in yet. The water's still too warm.
So do you still do this during winter time?
Yes, I do a lot of ice fishing here in the
Oh,
winter
really?
too. Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
And but this bay will freeze up. You're never quite sure, but usually you're right around the, it could be in middle of December to the middle of January. You never know when it'll freeze. So
Snow
we
is
get a lot
heavy?
of snow here. Rochester, Buffalo, Syracuse are 3 snowiest cities in the United States.
Ah.
But we don't, because of Lake Ontario, we don't get 30 below zero type weather. Just lots of cold and snow. That's
So we live in the southern part of Ohio, so we just get 2 inches of snow
yeah.
there.
My wife's family's from Cincinnati,
Uh-huh.
and it's like summer compared to
Yeah.
what we get. So yeah, that's the way it is.
So that's it?
Yeah.
I just had to pull it out. That's all.
Oh.
The bucket.
Here's a fish we catch here.
That was exciting.
I caught enough fish for dinner. That's what I
for
catch. Different ones, you see.
Oh.
I'll clean those up. They'll make a
got
delicious
plenty.
dinner.
So
Yeah.
what kind of fish are
They're perch, sunfish, and
now
what they
I
call a
got it.
white perch.
So
That looks beautiful.
Just enough for dinner for my wife and I.
so
there you
in
go.
Ohio where we live,
Yeah.
when they catch the fish, they will just throw it away back to the river.
Well, some people, these fish, these are called panfish. They're good for eating.
Ah.
But there are a lot of other types of fish you throw back because they're just fun to catch, and
Just for fun?
Okay.
Thank you for showing us.
Yeah.
Fish.